Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the third Iconitis International Conference on Islamic Civilization and Humanities. Hello, I'm Muhaimin Akib. At this time, I will present my article with the title The Lecturer's Perceptions on Flipped Classroom. Let's enjoy the presentation. Okay, the implementation of the flipped classroom approach in the learning process has shown significant and growing interest. From some research, we know the benefits of the flipped classroom, such as this uh, method facilitates active learning, develops collaborative teamwork, stimulates autonomous learning, increases classroom interaction, and knowledge retention. But at the other side, there are some challenges of this model or of this flipped classroom, such as associated with its implementation improve the availability of supporting facilities, technical and technological issues, and difficulties in developing flipped learning material. The time consuming is one of the challenges that made teachers reluctant to use this method. So, this presentation or this study will explore the English lecturer perception of the flipped classroom model, highlighting its benefit and challenge in the context of English language. Then we will talk about research method. The study used a qualitative case study approach. The goal of this study is to obtain the extensive understanding of teachers' or lecturers' perception of flipped classroom. And the participant of this study is five, five lecturers from the English education program as participants. The researchers chose these lecturers because these lecturers actively implement the flipped classroom in their teaching. So this is making this a key criterion for selection. Okay, next the instrument of this study. The primary data were collected using semi-structured interviews, which were conducted in Indonesian to ensure participants felt comfortable expressing their thoughts. The data in the study were analyzed using a thematic analysis approach. The process began with reading the entire dataset, followed by initial coding. This step involves identifying themes, review, and make connection among them. Additionally, comparison were made between categories and codes. The core categories were then refined and developed to generate meaningful and theoretically informed classification of the participation. Now we will discuss about the findings and discussion. Two distinct perception patterns emerge from the data collected from the lecturers. These patterns were organized into primary themes, the benefits and the challenge of the flipped classroom. Each of these main themes was divided in three themes reflecting the nuanced insight shared by the participants. The first theme is benefits, the benefits of flipped classroom. Here, three additional subthemes regarding the benefits of flipped classroom based the lecturer perception. The first is optimized classroom dynamic. The second benefit is better retention of knowledge, and the third benefit is sorry, enhanced use of technology. The second theme is the challenge of the classroom, encompasses three sub-themes, such as the first is time-consuming preparation. The second challenge is technological barriers, and the last or the third challenge is unequal student participation. Okay, we will explore about the benefits of the flipped classroom. The first benefit is optimized classroom dynamic. We can see the response of the participant too in this slide. When we can take the point from the response that the lecture clearly emphasize how moving lectures outside of the class provides more time for engaging activities such as a group discussion and problem solving. These activities can enhance student understanding and critical thinking. The mention of students applying what they have learned in the response is particularly strong as it shows how the flipped classroom support deeper learning. The concept of classroom dynamic optimization is a significant benefit of the flipped classroom model. This finding is aligned with the Amerio Sefi and Ansori and Nurul Rafi'i research. Next is the second benefits of the flipped classroom is better knowledge retention. In this slide, we can see how the lecturers respond about the benefit or their perception about the flipped classroom. From this response, we can see that the students engage with the learning material multiple times. The student first review the material outside the class or the home session, and then the student apply what they have learned in class. This process leading to improved knowledge retention. The flipped classroom allows students to engage with content multiple times in different contexts, which significantly enhance their ability to retain the material. This is aligned with Rumah Lewang research. And then the flipped classroom enhance knowledge retention by providing students with multiple opportunities to interact with and apply the material. So this is become a big benefit for the students according to lecturer perception. The third benefit, or the last for this part, uh, is enhanced use of technology. We can see the response of lecturers. It emphasizes how online resources, videos, and interactive tools allow students to access learning materials at their convenience and progress at their own pace. The overall conclusion about technology making the learning process more efficient and accessible is well stated. The use of technology in prep classroom also helps students who are absent to keep up with the material. This is maybe the special benefit from prep classroom, especially for students who absent during the learning process in the classroom. Okay, this is thus the third benefit of the classroom. So we will move to the second theme of uh, lecturer perception is, well, we will explore about the challenge of the prep classroom. The first is time consuming preparation. We can see the response from the participant board, and this response clearly acknowledged one of the main challenges of the flipped classroom, the time-consuming preparation required. The mention of creating engaging videos, selecting appropriate readings, and designing interactive activities demonstrate the level of effort needed to create a dynamic learning environment. So, while the flipped classroom offers many advantages, the time-consuming preparation is a significant hurdle that instructors must navigate. So, this is the first challenge of the flipped classroom. Okay, the second challenge of the flipped classroom is technological barriers. We can see the response from the participant three. One of the biggest challenges I face with the flipped classroom is ensuring all students have equal access to the technology. The flipped classroom heavily relies on technology, which can pose a challenge if students and lecturers lack access to the necessary digital tools or internet connectivity. Technical issues or unfamiliarity with online platform can disrupt the learning experience and prevent students from engaging with the class or with the pre-class material effectively. We know that not all students may have consistent or reliable access to the required technology, such as a computer, internet connection, and smartphone. Challenge or the last part of this uh, discussion is an equal student participation. The participant board express that some students don't engage with the material as truly as others. So sometimes one student different with the other in preparation their material in the home or in the a home session. Participant board express how some students fail to engage with the pre-course material. The impact is the group dynamics and increase the workload for well-prepared students. The mention of creating interactive activities and encouraging peer support is a good strategy to promote engagement and balanced participation. So the lecture here explain that he tried to create more interactive activities, encourage peer support, but it's still difficult to ensure that all students are equal engaged in learning process. This is become uh, actually this is become challenge for the implementation of the classroom. Okay, this is the explanation about the findings of this study, how the flipped classroom perceived by lecturers or English lecturers. We know that true perception is about the benefit and the challenge of flipped classroom. And now, as the conclusion, the flipped classroom model offers transformative potential learning model, and this approach shifts traditional classroom rules, encouraging collaborative and deeper learning. While challenges exist, addressing them through institutional support and strategic implementation can pave the way for broader adoption of this innovative teaching method. So thank you for your attention. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.